Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Topic number 16, geometry. Previous year we learned there line, segment, line, dot, okay, triangle, how many sides, square, how many sides, how many vertex. This year we learn so many figures in plane figure या closed figure or open figure. Closed figure means what? You call that one, this one plane figure, and there is two types, closed plane figures and open plane figures. Closed plane figures means what? The start and end the point in the same point. The start and end in the same point, you call that closed figure. And open figure means what? Start one point, end one point. Start one point, end one point. That one called you open figure. Okay. And closed plane figure have three line segment, three or more than line segment, three or more than, okay, not only two, one. When there is two, that time that one is a open plane figure. Okay, what you call open plane figure. Now closed plane figure, which shapes? See here, triangle, square, rectangle. Triangle have three sides but they end only one point. Okay, square have four sides, they closed in one, start and closed in one point. Rectangle have also four sides. Pentagon have five sides. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hexagon have six sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one, octagon. Octagon have how many sides? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And decagon have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides are have decagon. Okay. Then circle and oval also is not a closed plane figure. This is not a polygons. They have no sides. Na? These all figures have sides, but this one have. Circle and oval have not a sides, not their line segments, so that one is not a polygons. All of you understand? Next one, angle and curves is a open figure. All of you understand now? Now quadrilateral are four sides polygon. Some quadrilateral are this one, polygons also quadrilaters. See here, which figure? Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram and kite. A square and rhombus have all sides are same. Rectangle and parallel have opposite sides are is equal in measurement. Kite has a adjacent side equal measure but opposite sides of distance measure. Okay, all of you understand? All of you understand, na? Where is a polygons? Which is a polygon? Which is the not a polygon? Only plane figures there. And which is the open plane figure? Which is the closed plane figure? Which is the polygon? Which is a quadrilateral figure? All of you understand? Now we learn. We solve here exercise. We solve here exercise. Give two examples for each this. Closed up plane figure. Triangle and square. Okay. Open plane figure. Angle and curve. Closed up plane figure but not polygon. Circle and oval. Polygons with more than 5 segments. Hexagon, and octagon. Hexagon have 6 figure, octagon have 8 figure. Alphabet letters are open plane figure. Alphabet letters that are open plane figure. Alphabet letter which? C means curve. L angle. Alphabets are closed plane figure. Alphabet letter are closed plane figure. O1, only I know one. We search in next video. Okay, quadrilateral with all sides are same measure, which? Square and rhombus. Quadrilateral with opposite sides are same. Rectangle and parallelogram. Okay. Now, all of you understand now? Now, we learn here triangles. Triangle means what? Any three sides closed in plane figure, you call that one triangle. Triangle symbolically written as this one figure. Okay, this one use the triangle. Study this example. There are 3 types: equilateral, isosceles, scalene. Okay, equilateral triangles means what? There are all sides are same. All sides means there are 3 sides. Length of 3 sides is measuring same. You call that one equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle means there are 2 sides same and one side is different with length measuring. That one call you isosceles triangle. 2 lines is same and one line is a different. You call that one isosceles. And third one, scaneless. All sides are different. You call that one scaleless triangle. Scaleless triangle. Okay, all of you understand? Scaleless triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral. See here. This one is a triangle given you. AB 5 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter, BC also 5 centimeter. Means all sides are same. The length of each side is triangle ABC is 5 centimeter. So this one is a called you equilateral triangle. Next one, triangle MNP. There is MN and MP. Line MN and line MP is a 6 centimeter and NP is a 4 centimeter. One line is a different. You call that one isosceles triangle. See here, triangle XYZ. The length of all sides are different means XY is 5, XZ is 3 centimeter, YZ is 4 centimeter. You call that scaleless triangle. Okay. All of you understand? Equilateral, 3 sides are same. Isosceles, 2 sides are same, 1 side is a different. Scaleless, 3 sides are different. You call that one scaleless triangle. Now, identify the triangles from the length their sides. Write the name. First one, given triangle. First one, we write here name A, B, C. AB is 7 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, AC is 7 centimeter. All sides are same. So, which triangle this one? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Next one, first one write their name PQR. PR 4 centimeter, RQ 6 centimeter, PQ 8 centimeter. All sides are different. So that one is a scaleless triangle. See here, X, Y, Z. XY 7.5, XZ 6.5, YZ 6.5. Two sides are same, one side is different. You call that isosceles triangle. Third one is, last one is your homework. You write there. Next one, measure and write down each sides of 3 triangles and name them. First one, how to measure? First one point, keep there 0 to this one 3 centimeter, 3.2. This one 4.3. How to measure? All of you know. Keep 0 and where the next end point 4.8. Right there 4.8 centimeter. Which triangle this one? 3 sides are different. Scaleless triangle. Scaleless triangle. Okay, next one. See this one, 5 centimeter. Next one, 3.2 centimeter. Next one also 3.2 centimeter. Two sides are same and one side is different. You call that isosceles. isosceles triangle. See here 3.5, this one also 3.5, and this one also 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 centimeter, 3.5, means all sides are same. You call that equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. Question number 3 is your homework. Question number 3 is your homework. Next video we learn here perimeters. Okay, perimeters and area. All of you understand? Okay, thank you.